Hello everyone, welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel. Today, we have something special for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of elegance and functionality with the Delta Leland Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen, you're in the right place. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right in. The Delta Leland Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet is a classic faucet with a modern touch. It features a pull-down sprayer with shield spray technology, which provides a powerful, focused stream of water to clean dishes and a soft spray for rinsing fruits and vegetables. The faucet also has a magnetite docking system that securely holds the sprayer in place when not in use. Here are some of the key features of the Delta Leland Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet. Traditional styling with modern functionality. The Leland faucet has a classic look that will complement any kitchen style, but it also comes packed with modern features like a pull-down sprayer and touch-clean spray holes. Pull-down sprayer with shield spray technology. The pull-down sprayer makes it easy to reach all areas of your sink, and the shield spray technology provides a powerful spray that rinses away food debris without splattering. Magnetite docking. The magnetite docking system uses a powerful magnet to keep the spray head securely in place when not in use. Diamond seal technology. Delta's diamond seal technology uses a ceramic disc to create a leak-proof seal that is guaranteed to last for life. Touch clean spray holes. The touch clean spray holes allow you to easily wipe away mineral deposits with just the touch of your finger. SpotShield finish. The SpotShield finish helps to resist water spots and fingerprints, making it easy to keep your faucet looking clean. Lifetime limited warranty. Delta faucets are backed by a lifetime limited warranty, so you can be confident that your faucet will last for years to come. Here are some additional features that you may find helpful. The Leland faucet is available in a variety of finishes, including brushed nickel, chrome, and stainless steel. The faucet has a flow rate of 1.8 GPM, which meets the EPA's WaterSense criteria for water efficiency. The faucet is easy to install, with a single-hole configuration. Overall, the Delta Leland Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet is a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and functional faucet. It is packed with features that make it easy to use and keep clean, and it is backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of the Delta Leland Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Pros: durable and reliable, functional and convenient, stylish and versatile, easy to clean, lifetime warranty. Cons: single-handle design. Ultimately, the Delta Leland Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet is a high-quality, stylish, and functional option for homeowners looking for a premium faucet experience. However, its higher price point and potential installation challenges may be deal breakers for some. Weigh the pros and cons carefully and consider your needs and budget before making a decision. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Delta Brushed Nickel Kitchen Faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.